Hi guys, I am so excited to share the Paper Pad Club reveal with you. We have a nice fresh theme. We've got lavender, we've got lemons, and we've got critters. I really think you guys are gonna love this month's designs. So if you're new here, we have a Paper Pad Club of the month over at nottoshabbyshop.com. You can sign up monthly or purchase it as a one-time purchase. When you sign up monthly, you get 18% off. You could choose to sign up and just get the 2 paper pads, or you can opt in for coordinating ephemera and a coordinating 4x6 stamp set. When you get all of them, you'll choose the I Want It All option. The I Want It All option makes a wonderful crafting kit. You get it delivered every 30 days from the date you purchased, and it's a nice little surprise, and it all coordinates so well together, so it makes card making really fun. So here's the Lemon Love and Lavender Hugs stamp set. Super adorable critters in here. We've got this cute little mouse with a dress on, picking a little lemon from this little lemon tree. We've got a lemon with a sprig of lavender. We have this cute little bear holding a sprig of lavender. And you can color her little dress like it has little lemons on it. There's a little basket with lemon and lavender. We've got a little fox watering a little plant. We've got this cute mouse riding a bike with some lavender in her basket. She's got lemons on her dress. We've got sentiments, so sweet. You're the zest, just a little hello. Fresh picked hugs. Thanks a bunch. Lavender and love, when life gives you lemons. So really super cute. So the stamp set pulled both of the themes together, so it will go perfectly with either paper pad, or if you wanted to mix both paper pads together. We've got Squeeze the Day ephemera that goes nicely with the paper pads. You can pair it up with the lavender paper for a little contrast, or pair it up with the lemon paper pad, or mix both. So we've got really cute storybook images. These little mice are adorable. We've got really pretty cupcakes. Let's take a look at the Squeeze the Day paper pad. So really cute. So we've got some lemons on a green background. We've got the stripes with the yellow and green. This is a really interesting pattern. Some lemons. These lemons are on chevron. I love a gingham. Here's a chevron pattern. So these lemons are on polka dots. This one has a white background, some tiny green polka dots, a yellow chevron. And these lemons are on a yellow polka dot. So really cute. I'm gonna pick out 3 sheets to go with the images that I picked out here. So this will be kind of like a birthday card. So I want to do, let's do a yellow gingham with this one. So we have a touch of green, we have the open lemon. So we'll put that off to the side. We'll create a card with that. I'm going to color up one of the images from the stamp set. But first, let's take a look at the Lavender Lane. So this paper pad has images on the inside, and there's 2 sheets of it. For this paper pad, we get 2 of each design. Got some pretty floral, pretty plaid, some polka dots, tiny florals. This is really pretty, a darker purple, some stars, really cute patterns in here. And then here are the images that you can cut out. Really super, super cute. And then if you didn't want to use images, you always have something on the back. There's some stars, some glitter, little triangles. So lots of different patterns in here in different shades of purple. Oh, that's really pretty, this tiny stripe, and then some of them are colored in. The other sheet has these cute little geese and a frog, some lavender, super cute. And then on the back, you've got a pattern. So really fun paper pad. And for our stamp set, let's color in some of these images. We can mix and match some of the yellow paper with the purple paper. So let's pick out an image that has lemons and lavender. I think this cute little bear, and maybe with the basket on the side or the lemon, would look really, really cute. And we could stamp out fresh picked hugs. That would be super cute, or thanks a bunch with this image. Anything would work, lavender and love. So let's go ahead and stamp out this bear. Okay, so I'm gonna have my image like that. I think I'm gonna do fresh picked hugs right there. And then I'll cut it out with a square. Okay, so I'll stamp that second. Just wanna make sure I have enough room. Okay, I grabbed some purple and yellow and some beige. So I have E11 and E00 for my bear. I'm going to do some really simple coloring today.
Drip drop, tapping on the window pane. Gray skies trying to steal the day. But I've got paper glue and time and a little spark that feels just right.
Rain boots lined up by the door. Clouds roll in, but we want more.
So we pull out colors bold and bright, turning rainy days into pure delight. When the world feels a little slow, we make our own kind of glow.
Dancing, puddles splash, rainbow dreams in every dash.
Scissors snip and laughter flows. Magic happens, heaven knows.
Clouds can't stay forever.
Okay, so I cut a bunch of pieces out. I just want to do a collage. So I have a nice scalloped rectangle with stitching.
When the sky is feeling gray, we choose color anyway. Drip drop rain outside today, inside we cry. drop just helps things grow.
I took the heart die from the Easy Wonder Die #1 add-on, so I thought I'd use those on here.
Busy hearts feel light. We make our own sunshine bright. Little moments, big heart smiles, worth every crafty mile.
Soft drop, hear the rain. We don't mind.
Okay, I think I have them arranged like I want. I kind of want the heart to hang off so it's touching both patterns. And then these two kind of go like this.
Drip drop rain outside today. Inside we craft the blues away. Paper smiles, a little cheer. Everything feels brighter here. Shine on through the clouds we see. Colors spill so happily.
Okay, so that completes the card. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's pretty fun to make. And for the second card, we're gonna do a really simple card. This is using the ephemera Squeeze the Day. So when you want to craft and make something beautiful, but want to make a quick and stress-free card, you're gonna want to grab your ephemera pack. Okay, so that completes this card. Super, super cute. So here's the two cards that we created. Let me know if you have a favorite and meet me tomorrow for release day, January 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time, over at nottoshabbyshop.com. Hope to see you there, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!